Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinkanailart. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a quick swatch and review video for you on these gel polishes from MelodySusie. I was contacted by MelodySusie to review their kind of like starter kit, and this is for their gel polishes. I'm a little rusty. You guys know that I haven't been on here talking to you in a while. My work schedule is absolutely insane. Plus, I also have my own brand right now, so I'm really busy. But for today's video, I decided to come on here real quick and show you and introduce you this gel polish nail kit. So you are getting 24 gel polishes plus a top coat, base coat, and a matte top coat. And MelodySusie also is offering a 20% discount code for you if you use code Judita. I will link for you everything in the description box, so definitely make sure that you check it out. But if you do have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you so much, MelodySusie, for sending me this kit. I am really excited to try everything that's inside, and after I swatched for you all of these 24 gel polishes, I will come back and share my thoughts with you. Alright guys, what did you think about these gel polishes? In general, I was really impressed with most of them. The base top coats are really good. I will be definitely using them in the future. And for the most part, these colors are really nice. Two coaters. There are a couple one coaters or some that may need a third coat, depending on your preference, but all in all they are pretty good. The glitter polishes were not necessarily my favorite, but again comes to your preference. I layered them over one of these solid colors, but for the most part I think you can just build them up without having any base color underneath them. There is I think only one or two colors that I didn't like, or I didn't like how they apply, but other than that I think this is a pretty nice kit. There are quite a few purples, so you guys know how I love my purple polishes, so I'm happy about that. You are getting a nice mix of neutrals, neons, and just a mix of other colors as well. All in all, I would say this is a really nice kit. The bottles are definitely on a smaller size. To be honest, how often do you use up a polish or a gel polish? I think this is a pretty good size, especially if you want to try out a couple of them before you decide to purchase a full-size bottle. So let me know what are your thoughts, if you ever tried this brand before and if you liked it. I would definitely recommend you to check out this kit. It's really nice. As I said, you are getting a very nice selection of colors, and the base and top coats are a must-have. They're really good and I enjoyed those thoroughly. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'm trying to post as often as I can lately. As I mentioned, my full-time job is crazy, and with my own brand I really do not have as much time for creating YouTube content as I would like, but I do appreciate all of you who are still around, and I do hope that you are enjoying what I have for you. So definitely check out the description box for links and discounts regarding this kit or other products from MelodySusie. And that's it for today. So thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.